it is time for us to talk all about this letter. And what letter is this? This is the letter B. And is B a consonant or a vowel? B is a consonant, and B spells B. B. So let's figure out how we sign the letter B. You're going to put your fingers up in the air and your thumb down across your palm like this. And that's how you sign the letter B. Let's sign B and make the sound that B makes. B, B, B. We can hear the B sound in the beginning of the word ball. Ball. B, B, ball. Sometimes the letter B comes in the beginning of a word, such as in the word bag. Let's tap that out. B-A-G. Bag, b, 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 or in the beginning of the word bin, b-in, bin, b, b, b. Now, sometimes we hear the b sound at the end of words, such as in the word sub, s-a-b, sub, b, 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 or in the end of the word dab, d-a-b, dab, b, 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 dab. So let's talk about how we actually make the B sound. The B sound is a voiced lip popper. It's like a soft pop when your lips come together. B, B. To make the B sound, start by pressing your lips together firmly and then releasing a puff of air while turning on your voice. You can feel the vibration of your throat as your vocal cords work, just like in the word ball or the word B. This is also known as a bilabal plosive sound, where your lips come together and release a little burst of energy. All right, let's try it. B, B, B. Put your hands on your throat to make sure that you're doing this in a voiced way. B, B, B. I hear a buzz, buzz, buzz every time I make the sound. Keep practicing this one and see if you can think of any other words that start with the B sound. If we look at our consonant sound wall and all the consonant sounds that we've learned so far, we can see the B is in that top corner. It's right below the heading that says lips together, and it's right next to the other heading that says stop sound. And so it's very similar to the P, P, as in penguin sound, except for the fact that the P sound is unvoiced and the B sound is voiced. See if you can feel the difference between P and B. P, B, P, B. Now perk up your ears because we are going to see if we can hear the B in the beginning of these words. If you hear it, you know what to do. You're going to give me a thumbs up. And if you don't hear it, you give me a thumbs down. The first word is the word banana. 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 Do you hear B in the beginning of banana? Yep, me too. The next word is the word minute. Like I have 1 minute to finish emptying the dishwasher. Minute. Minute. Do you hear B in the beginning of minute? No, me neither. Wah, wah. All right, the next word is the word ball. Ball. Do you hear B in the beginning of ball? It's kind of a giveaway because we see the ball over there too. I hear it. The next word is the word valley. Valley, like the vowel valley. Do you hear B in the beginning of valley? Me neither. I didn't hear it. I hear V, V, which is a different sound that we'll get to soon. Now it's time for us to write the capital B or the uppercase B in the air. So warm up your hands so that they are ready to do some writing. You're going to get your writing finger up and ready, and at that top line, go from the top straight down to the bottom, and then hop back up to the top, and you're going to be curving from the top to the middle. It's like a little belly. And now you'll do it again from the middle to the bottom, another little belly. Boop. I love the letter B. I just think it's a fun one to make. All right, top, straight down to the bottom, top, curve to the middle, middle, curve to the bottom, and that's the uppercase B. Now to make the lowercase b, it almost looks like the uppercase B, except it's missing one belly. So instead of having two bellies, like in the uppercase, it just has one. So to make this one, we start just below the top line, do a straight line down to the bottom, then hop to the middle and do a curve around, 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 finishing at the bottom. Let's do it one more time. Start just below the top, straight down to the bottom, hop to the middle, do a curve around, 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 ending at the bottom. And that is how you make the lowercase b.